Dude, I'm so bored. Let's watch some TV. Oh, damn, this remote. Did you get that?
Nah, dude. I'm hella bored, but I'm lazy.
Are you sure? You should go get that over there.
Dude, you're already sitting up. You get it.
It's because of the little brother, isn't it? I always have to do it. Don't you think?
Yo, you should get that remote control.
Nah, I said you should get it.
Nah, dude. I can't even get up right now.
Come on, man. You have your laptop there already.
I'm on Block TV.
Yeah, well, you're keeping yourself entertained, and I'm over here sitting on my ass.
Okay. You know what? I'll try. Yeah, I can't get it.
Man.
Hang on. How about we play rock, paper, scissors to get the remote?
Fine, let's do it.
Alright. Rock, paper, scissors. Tie it. Damn it. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors. Shit. Rock, paper, scissors. Are you kidding me? Rock, paper, scissors. You know that trick, too. Paper, scissors.
Okay, for real. Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Damn!
Yeah!
Damn, I lost. I guess I'll go get it.
Dude. Are you alright?
Dude, are you alright? You know what? I'll just get it. It's fine.
Faggot. Why are you laughing?